Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki and in today's video we are going to do something a little bit different. I want to transform myself into a Harley Quinn. I know that maybe it's going to be a little bit different and a little bit difficult because it's my first try. So bear with me, okay? Because I have, as you can see, eyebrows, and Harley Quinn has like black eyebrows, but they are very thin and they have something like that, and I have a fully eyebrow. So I will try to disappear them, but if I can't achieve it, because when you have a lot of hair in your eyebrows, and you want to glue them on and then paint them and stuff like that, it has an effect that I really don't like. You can clearly see that it's still there, and I don't want to shave them because I really like them. So yeah, I will try to do that, but if you see me in the next frame and I have just my fully eyebrow, just so you know, I didn't do it because I tried and it didn't end up like I wanted to. I know that you will probably think that this is perfect. I don't have fucking eyebrows. From far away, it's everything. But if you come really, really close, you can see my eyebrow hairs, and I don't fucking like it. I'm going to take this out because I don't like it. We are going to work with the eyebrows that we already have. So yeah, I will be right back. Now that I'm back with my eyebrows, I'm feeling like they are going to fall off my face. But it's okay. I really like doing, the process with the glue and stuff like that, but I think I don't have the right glue because I have seen it's my second time that I'm trying to glue my eyebrows to not have eyebrows, and I'm using the white, not white, the clear glue, but I think I need to go with the purple one or the blue one. So for now we are going to have our regular eyebrows. I'm going to use my white concealer, and I also have a white face paint or body paint, or just the cream makeup. Let's start. So I'm going to use the Tropical Carnival palette from Revolution again, and the A one. Okay guys, as you can see, I have done this thing right here. I'm going to do the blue one, and I'm going to use from Revolution again, the Tropical Carnival palette, and Vein. Now I'm going to put face paint in my whole face, just so we can see what else we can work with. So guys, after that I'm going to contour a little bit my face. I just did a little bit, a little bit red here and blue here. I'm going to do a little bit my eyebrows. I'm going to use from Catrice the All Around Mascara. I'm going to use from NYX the MLS 10 Perfect Red. And she also has right here a black heart. Let's pray that I'm going to make it good. Maybe we can put a little bit of black. I'm using just the black eyeshadow. Hell fucking yeah! So guys, let me put a little bit my hair up and stuff like that, and I will be right back. I want to take it to the next level and put fake blood in some parts of my face. So we are going to see how this is going to be. But I think that maybe I'm going to, run this up. So just look at it.